If your mornings feel rushed, this will help. Today I am meal prepping 3 high-protein breakfasts with about 25 grams of protein each in just 30 minutes. So instead of figuring out breakfasts every morning, it's already ready for the entire week. And the best part, everything cooks in simple trays or sheet pan, so cleaning is minimal too. Hi friends, I'm Tiyash, a health coach, and here I share simple healthy recipes and wellness tips every Sunday. Let's start with the first recipe. For the first breakfast, we are making high protein bagels using chickpeas flour and paneer. They are yeast-free, gluten-free, and surprisingly soft inside. We will start with mashing half cup of paneer. I am using homemade one. Then mix it with 1 cup of sattu flour. Next add 1/4 cup of almond flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper powder. The secret to that authentic store-bought flavor is this savory spice blend. Now mix everything with clean hands until a dough forms. And if it feels dry, add little bit yogurt. Just enough to bring everything together. Don't add any water. You are looking for a soft dough, like this. Now, let the dough rest for 8 to 10 minutes. Sattu absorbs moisture this time, which makes the dough easier to shape. And instead of waiting out, this is the perfect moment to start the second recipe. While the bagel dough is resting, let's quickly make the sheet pan egg bake. This way, everything can go in the oven almost at the same time. We will start by cracking 4 eggs into an oven-proof baking dish. Eggs are one of the easiest ways to add high-quality protein, about 6 grams per egg. And this batch gives us multiple servings, so breakfast is sorted for a couple of days. Then add half cup oats. This will add fiber and absorb the moisture from the eggs. Next, it's time to add some leafy greens and vegetables. I am adding spring mix, bell peppers, and onions. Mix them well before adding the next ingredients. Next goes salt, baking powder, and pepper powder. Now add half cup of paneer for extra protein. I personally prefer getting protein from real food instead of relying on powders. It keeps the meal simple, more filling, and something you can actually enjoy every day. Now I am adding some cherry tomatoes on the top for a little freshness and color. So this is ready. Now let's work with the bagel dough. Our dough is well rested. Now it's much easier to work with. Let's shape the bagels. First, divide the dough into 4 to 5 portions. I just roll them into balls first, then flattened it and make a hole in the center and shape it out kind of like donut. Doesn't have to be perfect. I got about 5 bagels from this dough. Just try to smooth out any cracks so they don't break while baking. For that bakery style crust, add an egg wash or milk if you prefer. Both give a nice golden color. I couldn't find my brush, so spatula it is. And it works. Then I love to add everyday bagel seasonings on the top. The bagels go into the oven first, bake at 370 Fahrenheit or 190 centigrade for about 22 to 25 minutes. Now the egg goes into the oven too. Bake it for about 18 to 20 minutes at the same temperature until the center is set or no longer jiggly. And the third breakfast might actually be everyone's favorite. We are making 1 pan baked protein pancake. Instead of making pancakes one by one, we bake a whole tray and slice it for the week. For the pancake batter, we will start with 1 cup of yogurt, then 2 eggs, half cup unsweetened applesauce, Did you know you can replace butter or oil in any cake or pancake recipe with applesauce? Then we will replace all-purpose flour with half cup almond flour. Then add chia seeds and give everything a good mix until smooth. Add some maple syrup according to your sweetness preference. And I love to add some cinnamon powder in my pancake batter instead of vanilla essence. Add a teaspoon of baking powder here. Now mix the batter last time before adding the fruits. You can add any fruits here. I am adding strawberries and blueberries. You can also add some nuts, seeds or even chocolate chips. Here is the final look before going to oven. By now the bagels and eggs are already baking, so the pancakes go in as well. The pancakes will take about 15 minutes to bake at the same temperature. While everything finishes baking, let's make a quick high protein cream cheese spread. Add Greek yogurt, paneer and little bit of cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano, because it contains the highest protein, 10 grams per ounce. It also gives the salty taste and flavor just like cream cheese. I also added garlic powder and little bit of chili flakes. Now blend everything until smooth and creamy. This creamy spread almost like a high protein cream cheese. The whole batch has around 25 grams of protein. So just adding this to your bagel makes it a high protein meal. The bagels are ready now. A small trick that helps the homemade bagels bake better is adding a little steam in the oven. It helps the crust develop and keeps the inside softer. We can easily store them in refrigerator for 3-4 days and microwave before eating. Each bagel has about 8 to 9 grams of protein. With the cream cheese spread and addition of 1 egg, this breakfast easily goes about 26 grams of protein. Now it's time to reveal the real truth in front of you. Look at that. So soft inside. Honestly feels just like a regular bagel, if not better. Who knew you could make a high protein gluten-free bagel like this using just sattu and paneer? Add that creamy high protein spread, some crunchy lettuce and fresh tomato slice. And you have got a delicious breakfast ready. Makes mornings so much brighter and easier. And the egg bag is perfectly set too. Just slice it up, enjoy with fresh salad and store the rest in an airtight container in the refrigerator for the next few days. Now let's check the pancake. Wow, the pancake is done as well. Just cut them into squares for easy meal prep. For me, this is just like a healthy dessert. I love to enjoy it with yogurt, fresh berries and maple syrup. Each serving gives you around 20 grams of protein depending on your toppings. While one tray was baking, we prepared the next, and that's how these 3 high protein breakfasts and the spread come together under 30 minutes. And just like that, 3 high protein breakfasts ready for the week. No daily cooking, no guessing, just grab and go. Healthy breakfasts don't have to be complicated. Just a little planning can make mornings so much easier. So which one would you try first? Bagel, egg bake or the pancake? If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday. Bye bye.